The next R is the reuse. Now, the idea of being wasteful makes many people uncomfortable. Yet, most of us, what we do, we continue to waste the products before even thinking that whether we are having certain better options or not. Means whether we can do certain good things with that product or not. Example can be like I am having a phone book which is from the last year. Now number of the people are changed. I don't know what to do with that book. So better option is to throw that book. Then also curtains. Suppose you changed your place, you shifted to some other place, and the curtains over there are not fitting your window properly. They are short. What you all do? You throw it away. Even a closet curtain, curtains which hang near the closet, even if it is scratched by your pet, by either by dog or by cat, what you all do? Many people they throw it away. Now our mind is set in that way. It is set in that way to work, where we are not having the capability to understand that we can reuse the things. Means if we see a particular product which is old, which is empty, which we have worn many times, or it broken, we consider it as useless. So what better option we get at that time? What better idea we get that instead of making it use, it's better to throw it away. So what we do? We just throw it away as a garbage. Now this has a very bad consequences. Okay. Now this example can be shown, or the attics or garages are the better example you all can see, where you understand how much amount of products are accumulated in the garage which can be reused. That can be one example. So understanding reuse, we need to understand certain terms. Now reuse means what? To think before buying the product whether actually there exists a need to buy it. Means reuse means what? I am going to buy a particular product, okay, but before buying that I should give it a thought that whether I am actually having a need to buy it, is it necessary or not. That thought should come to our mind. The one example can be like small children. Some children, they are having a habit of playing with different cars, collection of cars. What they are doing, they are buying one car, playing with that, and once it is broken or a wheel is removed, they uh, tend to tell their parents that they want a new one, instead of explaining the kid that you can play with that car. What they are doing, they are again purchasing a new one and giving it to the child. Okay, that psychology is developed from the time you are born, from the time you are starting to understand how the you are understanding the working. From that time only your thinking is like one thing is broken, then you should buy other one. Now both the car are basically what? They are made up of plastic, which are, you can say, non-recyclable, so it becomes a waste only, no? So that psychology is developed through childhood only, and we are tend to work in that way because since we were small kid, we were taught those kinds of things. Now this is not fault of our parents, this is you can say like a custom which is going on and on through many years. So I don't think so it is fault of anyone, but now we should understand that this is not the way it should work. We should reuse the thing instead of throwing it away. So what we should consider, that don't I have something similar, that whether I am having a similar product or not, is actually there a need? Do I really need it? Or if I am not having a need to buy, I can lend it from a family person or a friend for a small amount of time, for a certain period of time. Now this is what, whether I'm actually having a need to buy the product or not. Now next thing is, instead of getting rid of the product, why I cannot make use by reclaiming it to some other person or giving it to someone else, so it can be a better use for those people. Like clothes which are short, which cannot be worn by anyone, instead of throwing that away, you give it to your relative or a needy family or a poor person who can make use of it. Even the books, now many families, literally I have seen that during the end of the year what they do, they just throw away all the books. So instead of throwing it away, you can give it to the school, you can give it to the people who cannot afford books, or to the library, so that other people can make use of it. And also you can provide it to a community or organization or agency who have different ways or who have contacts with the people who can recycle it. Even a garage sale might make it easy. You can arrange a sale of all the products which you all are having, like second hand products, so that people who are, many people exist out there who cannot buy expensive products, they can buy, and it will make them happy also. So these are certain ways, instead of throwing it away or instead of buying a new one, it should be considered by the people. And this is what basically a reuse is. So certain strategies are mentioned over here. First one is use a reusable plastic or a cotton bag for your purchase. Means instead of when you're going for shopping, why there is a need to every time pay extra money and take new polythene bags, you can carry the ones which are already there at your home. You can use that and you can put products in that. Second is collect and use rainwater for your house and garden plants, lawn, and to wash your car. Now, this thing is not applicable in buildings. Okay, it is applicable, but it is quite difficult. Over here, I'm talking about the people who are having row houses, who are having bungalows. Okay, who are having lawns. They can make use. They can collect rainwater and reuse it for gardening, for planting, for water, giving water to the plants, and also washing the car. Then third is use both side of a sheet of the paper by printing on both side or by using them as memo pads that you can keep by the phone. Now I have seen that many people are having the habit of printing pages on one side only. They, some find it difficult, some don't know the procedure, some find it time consuming. Why to use extra 5 minutes instead when I'm getting the printout single pages. So we can make use on by printing both the sides. Even the fault is not of the people, certain organizations, even colleges, what teachers suggest you all to print pages on both, instead of printing on both sides, they want their assignment, their worksheet to be done on single pages. So you all are not have many people are not having the options. So what they are doing, they are printing on one side. But when the work can be completed in 5 pages, why to make use of extra 5? Or even if waste you have generated, you can make use as a notice board which you can stick near your refrigerator as memos. You can write certain things which are important for the days like a reminder. Okay, the next is plastic bag. Plastic meal bags make perfect freezer bags. Okay, these plastic bags can be used as freezer bags. We can use them instead of getting a new ones. Okay, then furniture and household appliances are also picked up by service and charitable organization. Instead of throwing it away on the ground floor near the dustbin area, it's better to call certain services or organizations, charitable organizations. They'll come and pick up and give it to the needy ones. Then also buying the beverages in a returnable container. Now many dairies, they are having the procedure, they are using containers, they are using glass containers. After consuming the product, we return it to them. So it is a better way, no, instead of throwing it away every time, you just reuse it and return it when the need is over. Then books and magazines can be donated to schools and libraries. Yeah, all the textbooks, all the notebooks which assignments exist, people do the assignments, and all the magazines can be donated to schools and the library, which can be used by many number of people for studying, for reading, for doing time pass. This can be a way which can work. And also old towels. Now many people are having the habit that the towels are old. What they do, they tend to throw it away. Don't throw, no, you can make it use as a dust sheet. Okay, to clean out, to wipe out the furniture, to wipe out the dust, you can make it use for that purpose. Now the next one is try repairing of the appliances instead of buying a new one. Try to repair instead of buying. Now I have noticed the LCD TVs, LED TVs, nowadays TV, they are not having a lifespan, a longer lifespan like the ones which was there for the previous televisions. So what people are doing, the when the television display is damaged, the person only itself, person who repairs it, what the person tell, it's better, uh, आप नया ले लीजिए, they tend to say this thing, आप नया ले लीजिए, 5-6 हजार डालने से अच्छा you buy a new one. So what their mechanism works in this way, and they buy a new one. But if you can repair it, why you are not repairing it, why you are buying a new one and again creating waste? Now all these strategies are very important one, we should make use, and I know that many of the Indians are following these strategies. We Indians are having this capability, we can reuse anything. So in reusing, I think Indians are, you can say, quite responsible, that I can assure you.